Hey everybody, Annastacia here from FIF Females. Today we're going to be showing you all the different sites that we're currently on and what kind of quality of work that we do for you. Three things you should know before renovating your bathroom. Hire the right person so your shower doesn't look like this. You may also want to research what waterproofing methods other contractors use. We at FIF Females use the Schluter system. It is an integrated family of products that together form a fully bonded watertight assembly for tiled showers and tub surrounds. Although initially more expensive than traditional methods, this concept is designed to be mold, mildew, and leak-free. Working on this bathroom, we discovered mold from improper installation and application of waterproofing. In fact, there was no waterproofing at all. The contractor that was hired 5 years ago spot installed the tile, causing air and condensation, leaving a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Who wants to guess?
Square footage?
No, ceiling height. How high is the ceiling? 8?
You think 8? Really? 7.
Hurry up.
At 7 3/4.
Go.
Yeah, 7 and 2.
I think 7. Oh, 7 on the dot.
Oh,
Listen here. Wait, and this one is big. She's a big girl, this one. Okay, that's 17, 69 square feet.
Number.
And back to work. Because of the previous contractor's installation, or lack thereof, our client had to undergo 2 bathroom renovations. This is why it is so important to hire the right people and to educate yourself. Hire right the first time so you can save yourself money in the long run. And remember, cheap is expensive. Okay, so here we are at our Hanson project. Here we did a main floor renovation. We took a couple walls out. What had happened was there was a divide here. We ripped this wall down and we organized this kitchen to create a more of an open space. So this hardwood was 5/8 higher than this tile, than the existing tile. So when we built and replaced this floor with the old floor, we were still 5/8 difference, and that's where we installed 1/2 inch plywood, 1/4 or 1/8. Put in a membrane because it's basically a membrane that goes in between the plywood and the tile that helps shift with the plywood. Plywood expands and retracts. This way you don't get cracking tiles or problems with your grout later. And then the rest we made up with mortar and feathered everything out so that it would be perfectly level because we didn't want any toe kicks, we didn't want any transition. I hate transitions. I like when things are perfectly flat. So that's what we did here. And plus we made a hopscotch board for the kids.